Okay, now we have to go on to diagnose the Bitcoin first. The Bitcoin and data. Tell me about the day and time and report
Great.
the
Let's
news
start with
shortly.
Bitcoin. Check the chart and see where the price is in terms of key levels. Is it moving within a range, or are we seeing a breakout or consolidation at the moment? Are there any particular areas of support or resistance you're watching? Let's break it together.
I,
What's the current situation on your chart?
my chart I open
Sorry,
now.
I'm having issues right now. Could not understand what you said.
I have open now Bitcoin 4 hour chart and 3 minutes chart. We just get a look in roughly at the key level of 4 hour chart. The chart now Bitcoin at 4 hour chart from last night. It the buyer step back in. I don't know if they are really back in or what. We have to see. They have to show a little bit more of what they can do if they can maintain this level at 105155 all the way. It will be something for us to read for the chart and see who pick up the tempo or the momentum to carry on to the north. So at the 4 hour chart show that it's in the top side of the range at top side 10511. Let repeat 105113. That's the top side of key level on the top side of the range. The low side of the range is 997560. If I'm not wrong. Yeah, that's data that I get from the approximately a, a line of ranging. So Bitcoin is still upside of this range, and we have to go down to the lower time frame to look for the possible change direction or continue. What do you think, data, for the data that I give you just now? Talk to me, please. Are
From
you
what you're
there?
describing,
Yeah.
it seems like Bitcoin is testing the top side of the range at 10,511.13 on the 4 hour chart, and the lower boundary is at 997560. This range gives us a clear idea of where price has been moving, and now it's about confirming whether the buyers can maintain this level at the top side. The key thing here is to watch how price behaves around 1,5113. If the buyers can hold that level and show strength, then we could see a continuation to the upside. However, if price starts to drop back toward the lower range, it could suggest the buyers aren't in control just yet, and we might see a reversal or consolidation. Now that we have this context on the 4 hour chart, checking the 3 minute chart will help us see the shorter term price action and whether there's any sign of momentum building or slowing down. Do you see any specific price action patterns or candlestick formations on the 3 minute chart that could give us more clues?
Look down from the top of the
Sorry, I'm having issues right now. Could not understand what you said.
I see I put the mark line. Right now it is trend in 3 minutes. Uptrend forming, and the trends continue with the opening market London. Put more people to buy on this thing. And I put
It
the
sounds like you're observing an uptrend forming on the 3 minute chart, and the
yes.
market is likely seeing more participation with the opening of the London session. This could indicate an increase in volume and momentum, which is often a sign of price continuation, especially if buyers are stepping in as the market opens. If the uptrend holds and there's consistent price action above the key level of 1051113, it could signal that the momentum is on the buyer's side, potentially pushing Bitcoin higher. Keep an eye on any pullbacks or signs of weakness as the trend develops. Are you seeing any patterns or retracements that might give a clearer picture on whether this uptrend will continue or stall?
Sorry, I look at the wrong chart. This is the I look at gold. Sorry, I have to go back to looking for Bitcoin. This is tip is me that I too much quick, not careful enough what to looking for. Okay, I will have to do the Bitcoin again. Here we go, Bitcoin. Okay, let's give the right one. 4 hour chart. Bitcoin at 10511 again 105120 now at the
No
recent.
worries, it happens. Now that we're back on track with Bitcoin in the 4 hour chart at 10,511.13, let's focus on that key level. So you're watching
Okay.
the 15113 level at the top of the range. Given
Yeah.
that the price is currently at that level, we'll want to see if it can break through or if it's going to face resistance.
It's two
If the
leg up.
buyers maintain control here,
The
this could signal a continuation to the upside. What are you seeing in terms of price action at this key level?
that's key
Are there
level.
any patterns forming that suggest the buyers are stepping in, or is it still uncertain?
It look like at the time of the um what is the candle give?
It sounds
The
like you're in the process of observing what's happening on the chart at this moment.
I
Could
just
you
try.
share more about the price action you're seeing now, especially around 10,511.13? Is there any particular pattern or candle that stands out?
Is the selling, the ceiling, the resistance. Buyer cannot get through this key level price, and the lowest.
Got it. So 15113 is acting as solid resistance right now, with the sellers stepping in and preventing the buyers from pushing through. This could indicate that the price might struggle to break above that level, which would suggest potential consolidation or a pullback. You'll want to watch for any signs of a breakdown below this level or a failure to retest it, which could mean a shift in momentum. If the price does pull back, 997560 on the lower end of the range could be the next key level to monitor for support. Are you seeing any signs on the 3 minute chart that confirm this resistance, like
Just wait.
wicks or reversal candles?
Wait a sec. We're going there soon. But first, I have to tell you the lowest possible line for the range is 96238.
Sure, take your time. Let me know what you'd like to share, and we'll pick up where we left off
So
once you're ready.
it is. I'm trying to read out this. How do you read this? 988720.
Got it. Feel free to share what you're seeing or reading, and I'll help you interpret it. What's standing out for you in the chart or your analysis right now?
It. Excuse me. The lower line of the range that I watching 98872.
You're focusing on the lower line of the range, which is 997560. This is a critical level to watch because if Bitcoin starts to approach it, it could either bounce back up if buyers step in or break through if sellers dominate. If you're seeing price get closer to that level, it's important to watch for any signs of a reversal, like bullish candlestick patterns or momentum shifts that could suggest a bounce. Alternatively, if the price breaks below 997560, it could indicate a deeper pullback or a change in the market structure, and we might see a continuation lower. What's the price action looking like near that lower boundary? Any signs of potential buyers stepping in?
The buyers left.
Sorry, I'm having issues right now. Could not understand what you said.
The buyer is left that this level already at 98872. They left first leg up right in the middle of the range, under the beneath the center line of the Bollinger Band, which is my 36 MA. They are pulled back to lift to pull back for those buyer who not getting it.
It
Like
sounds like the buyers made an initial push up from around 98872, but then pulled back beneath the 36 MA, your center Bollinger Band,
yeah.
which can often signal indecision or a slight pause in momentum. Given that the price is below the